How to have a rich mindset in 2022. Do you have an abundance or scarcity mindset? How you view the world can affect the opportunities you see, your expectations, and ultimately your results. You can choose to see the world as a place of abundance or a place of scarcity. One is certainly more optimistic than the other. Your view of the world is very different if you choose one over the other. Before we get started, please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe buttons to be sure not to miss any of our amazing content in the future. You can go ahead and get that done. I'll wait. Okay, let's get into it. An abundance mindset is hopeful, positive, and expects the very best. It's also more altruistic, since you believe that you'll receive what you need. It frees you up to do more for others. A scarcity mindset, on the other hand, leads to negativity and selfishness. You feel the need to look out for yourself, even at the expense of others. Viewing the world from a position of abundance has several positive effects on your life. Starting with number 1. An abundance mindset believes that there's plenty to go around. You believe that there's plenty of money in the world, plenty of potential partners, and plenty of opportunities in general. A scarcity mindset believes that there's a limited supply of everything, and that someone else must lose in order for you to win. Number 2, life is easier with an abundance mindset. You believe that anything is possible. With that attitude, you're willing to try and expect that things will eventually go your way. If you have a scarcity mindset, you believe that life is difficult. You see success as being harder than it really is. You expect the worst and might convince yourself that it's pointless to even try. It's much more challenging to be successful with a scarcity mindset. Number 3, opportunities are easier to see when you expect to find them. An abundance mindset makes opportunities more visible. Seek and ye shall find. Your expectations are often met in life. If you believe opportunities are scarce, you'll struggle to find them. This is true even if they're right in front of your face. Number 4, you take more risks with an abundance mindset. You believe the likelihood of success is greater, so you take more risks. The more you risk, the more you stand to gain. You also potentially have more to lose, but that's part of the game. Those that are bold tend to outperform those that are timid. Period. You're more likely to play it safe if you view the world from a position of scarcity. You're more afraid of losing what you have since you believe it will be difficult to get it back. And finally, number 5, those with an abundance mindset are more relaxed. When you believe the world has everything you need, you can relax and enjoy life. Your view of the world and possibilities are endless. Your overall viewpoint of your life is just more positive. A scarcity mindset results in fear and pessimism. You believe you have to fight the world to get what you want and need. You have to protect what you have from loss. Your life is viewed negatively. Do you think your view of the world is one of abundance or scarcity? If you hold a scarcity mindset, it's worth trying another viewpoint on for size. One of the best ways to start viewing the world with abundance is simply to give more. You can give money, your time, or give away a few of your possessions. Giving will enforce the idea that there's always enough to go around. Abundance will flow into your life if you allow it. After holding an abundance mindset for a few months, contrast it with your previous experience with scarcity. Choose the one that works for you. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. If you feel you've received some value from this content, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and drop us a comment and let us know if we're serving you. Until next time, we remain Business Brain USA.